Good morning, sir. This is my project AI-based smart street monitoring and emergency alert system using computer vision and IoT. So, the background of the invention of this project is increasing urban accidents and street crime and lack of automated emergency detection systems. So that's why we need a smart city safety infrastructure. Since we are seeing so many urban accidents and street crime, yet we are not uh, finding the main reason behind it, where it is happening, and how to prevent it. We have lots of questions in these kind of issues. So the main objective of this project is to develop a system that detects human activity using computer vision and identifies abnormal events and send instant alert to whatever emergency service that has to be needed to prevent this. So in problem context, urban streets require continuous monitoring for public safety. So emergencies like accidents, falls and suspicious activity often go unnoticed. This is because manual surveillance is inefficient and prone to delayed response. Delayed response means sometimes even the problem is getting unnoticed, like we are delaying the evidences needed for this kind of issues. So the need is to have an intelligent automated monitoring system, to have a real-time emergency detection and instant alert mechanism. And for the existing systems, we have for the existing solutions, we are having IoT-based smart lighting systems, vision-based surveillance system, fall detection in healthcare environments, like that. These are the main areas of having solutions. And those limitations that we are having with these existing solutions is we have lack of integrated emergency alert systems. Integrated emergency alert system is lacking in these kind of smart street lights and limited real-time communication. We are just making everything automated, just combining IoT with everything, like it will on and off like that. So we are lacking the real-time communication, so it is limited and high dependence on manual monitoring. If an issue is happening, manual monitoring is something that we highly depend on, which is not accurate sometimes. That's why problems are getting unnoticed sometimes. And the proposed system is to have an AI-based smart monitoring system that detects humans using computer vision, that identifies fall or abnormal posture, sends alert through IoT communication, and automatically notifies emergency authorities. The key technologies that I am using here is computer vision, IoT communication, and real-time alert system. The system architecture is in the following flow. Like we will be having camera, and computer vision detection detects the detects the frame of video from the camera, and events are getting classified, like whether it is a suspicious activity or the person is falling or everything seems normal. And the event classification then moves to MQTT communication, which means the normal condition will not move further, it will get ignored. Those suspicious and fallen conditions will move to MQTT communication, and Node-RED will process it, and we will get alert notification on our mobile phones. In this project, we are getting to our mobile phones. So the methodology is video is captured through camera, and computer vision works like process all the frames, and using HOG algorithm, human detection is happening, posture analysis is made, and fall detection classification is then happening. MQTT will publish message, and the alert is routing through Node-RED. Implementation. And this system was implemented using computer vision and IoT to monitor street environments in real time. A surveillance camera captures continuous video input, which is processed using Open Computer Vision, that's CV2 library in Python, to detect human presence. and follow abnormal activity is detected, then alert message is generated and transmitted through MQTT. The message is received and processed through Node-RED, which categorizes the event based on its type, and depend on the detected situation, automated alert notification are sent through Twilio. And Twilio is the platform where we are sending the messages to through Node-RED. Node-RED workflow is like this. In Node-RED, I have already given the diagram. At first, MQTT input will pass to the Node-RED, and JSON is needed here. And a switch is working based on whether it is hospital or police. Both hospital and police require SMS alert. So a different kind of messages will be transmitted for hospital and police in a separate manner, like fault detection for hospital and suspicious activity detection for police. And this is what the main Node-RED workflow. And after this Node-RED, the direct alert messages will be transmitted to the mobile number of the nearest emergency services. See the result. In the output, you will be having human detection video stream, and fault detection alert will be triggered. MQTT messages will get transmitted, and Node-RED dashboard receives events, and SMS alerts will be sent to emergency contacts. In terms of performance observations, real-time detection achieved and reliable alert communication is happening. Applications. Smart city surveillance is helpful via this project. Like the potential applications include emergency response systems, crime monitoring, elderly fault detection, and accident detection. Key benefits include automated emergency detection, real-time monitoring, reduced human supervision, scalable IoT infrastructure, and quick emergency response. So the conclusion is, we have developed an intelligent smart street monitoring system and integrated computer vision with IoT communication, and we enabled real-time emergency detection and alerts. So this system demonstrates how AI and IoT can improve urban safety and emergency response efficiency. So this is the main code that we are going to work for this project. And here we have nearly 10 libraries, and among these 10, for core Python and data handling, we are using this OS library. Here is where we see it, and datetime library, and NumPy library, and JSON. These are the main things for our core Python and data handling, and something like CSV is also included there for data handling. And for computer vision and AI, CV for computer vision, OpenCV, and YOLO is also meant for the purpose of computer vision and AI, and DeepFace for the purpose of emotional intelligence. And it is what we imported for emotion detection. And these are the main libraries that we are using for it, and MQTT for communication. See, this is the complete code, and I am going to run it. In the backend, I have connected the MQTT and Node-RED, so that connection will be established, and will take some time to run completely. Since we are using laptop webcam, we need to access all these 10 libraries. We have to import all these 10 libraries. So that's why we are importing it. And see, in the code, we are having a few scenarios like standing, fallen, and suspicious activity. It will work under 3 different colors, and red for falling, and blue for suspicious activity, and green for normal. In the backend, my camera is running, it's detecting me. It is working on the basis of a ratio. Like if the ratio is getting more high, since we fall, our length will get increased. the actual body length will get increased. So it is working based on the fallen activities. And for suspicious detection and standing, it is also based on some kind of ratio. And here for this MQTT dashboard, I have to include what I have mentioned in the code. So here I have used broker.hivemq.com. So I'll use this and I'll connect. So it got connected. And see, in the Node-RED we are using Smart Street Alerts as topic. So we have to include it as the topic with a QoS of 0. Let me add it as Smart Street Alerts. I'm subscribing it. And once I publish everything, I'll get a neat message. So like whatever I see in this kind of VS Code, I'm also getting that in MQTT as far I connected it. So we need Node-RED connection, a stable connection as well for this MQTT, and this is how it is working. You can verify whether MQTT is working based on the messages that we are getting, which means this VS Code, Node-RED and MQTT is connected, and when all of these is connected, we are going to get messages on my mobile phone stating like we got this fault detection, the suspicious activity detection. All those messages will come in my mobile phone as message, and this is how this project works. When I'm going to show this as an output, and let me explain it completely via my PPT. Thank you.